Well, I guess this is day one of working on the boat. We did build this deck right here that is behind you in front of me, but that's about as far as we got. So now day one working on the boat. Yeah, here's a hole. It looks like a bilge pump hole. There is another hole. Let me show you behind here. Maybe that's an exhaust. Not sure what that is. Exhaust is probably wrong. So we got to start finding all the holes in the boat and figuring out what those holes in the boat are there for, because I'm afraid of holes on the boat. You should be afraid of holes on the boat too. But day one working on the boat, I found some holes in the boat. More holes in the other side of the boat. So there's a lot of holes in this boat. Why are there holes on the bottom of the boat? There's another hole in the boat. These are holes in the boat. So I knew there was a couple holes on the boat, but day one I discovered that there was way more holes on the boat than I was wholly known about. Here I am filming in between the two first holes on the boat that I found. All right, we're gonna go on a tour real quick through the boat. I think I might call this boat Holes. It's been a while since I've been in there. So let's go see what it looks like. It probably looks pretty close to day one that I got it. Hopefully there is no family of deer or something, probably smaller than deer. But yeah, let's see, let's go take a look. Ooh, that was fun. Let's go, let's board her. Let's board this bitch. All right, let's peek inside. And here we are, featuring one small kitchen. Of course, it wouldn't be a fly bridge without the bridge, so let's take a little walk up here, see? Room for some beanbag chairs up there. So today was about getting a quick tour, getting some pictures and videos of all those holes in the boat, because I just want to really make sure that, you know, those holes in the boat are taken care of before we even think about, you know, trying to fix an engine. Because I'd hate to have an engine fixed and then sink because of a hole in the boat. Stairs soon. Yeah, I'm gonna build some stairs soon. So the only problem with this boat that I'm really kind of disappointed in is that it doesn't have a sail. I was really looking forward to sailing and trying to, you know, travel and make some, you know, put some miles under the belt. And, you know, with no sail, it can get expensive with gas. I think it would kind of cool having like some batteries and maybe like a windmill to charge the batteries, because that's kind of like a sailboat, but kind of like an electric boat. And then kind of like a motorboat, if it's got a motor engine and some batteries, and a windmill makes a sailboat. Like a motorboat that's powered by the wind, but it's not a sailboat.